Hello po guys, ako po si Dre, ang iyong manglalaro ngayon. Ako po ay maglalaro ng Frontline, Search and Destroy at Team Deathmatch. Only SR lang po. Tara, watch the full gameplay. Nakakuha tayo ng Frontline. Tara, 2 games lang tayo ngayon. Sana naman na ma-enjoy nyo itong video na aking ginawa. Like and sub rin. I-support nyo rin naman po sana ang aking channel. Hayaan nyo lang po na kung maingay lang po yung background. Hayaan nyo lang po kung maingay yung background. Basta, enjoy lang po kayo. Na guys, mag-start na. Ready na ba kayo? Manood? Tara. Chill G lang tayo ngayon.
Enemy contact! Enemy down! Lost the lead. Grenade out! Tango down! Taking a lead. Tango down! Reloading. Target down!
Start tayo ng LW3
Get
Tundra.
down, sniper! We've taken the lead. Enemy down. Contact with enemy. Changing mag. Tango down.
Nice G. Second round po tayo. Second round po tayo ng Frontline. Tayong nanalo ng first round, kaya sana manalo rin tayo this round. Tayo ang tagal naman tumaas kasi yung ladder, kaso okay lang yan, bago tayo.
Enemy in sight. Tango down. We've taken the lead.
Oh, shit. Sorry guys, may narinig ako.
Changing mag. Contact with enemy. Target down.
Nain naman kasi talaga ako eh. Chase kong laro lang.
Heads up. Enemy UAV spotted. We've taken the lead. Recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon standing by. Friendly airstrike incoming.
Talo pa tayo.
Sniper.
Hindi, panalo pa tayo. Hindi ko pa lang sabihin.
Objective all.
UAV tayo guys.
Target down.
One.
Enemy in
GG!
sight.
Nag second game naman tayo. Second game tayo guys. Panalo tayo. MVP natin ay si John 05. Gamit niya ay ICR-1. Okay, second game tayo guys. Okay guys, mag-start na tayo ng second game. Naka-frontline na naman tayo. Nuketown tayo guys. Okay. Tignan natin kung sino mananalo sa first round ng frontline. Road to Legendary pala tayo guys ngayon. Road to Legendary. Kakabalik ko lang maglaro ng God M dahil busy sa school. Okay guys. ZRG tayo guys. May ZRG muna tayo guys.
Frontline.
Bukan natin ng ZRG. Okay guys, na wala rin akong kwan.
Tango down!
Kahit na walang legendary skins, basta maganda yung skills mo sa laro. Yun yung key.
Enemy in sight!
Yung key ng key na kailangan ng legendary, ng kahit anong mga skins.
Enemy.
Yung skill mo, ang importante.
Changing mag. Reloading. Cover me. We've taken the lead. Contact with enemy. Target down. We've taken the lead. Enemy contact. Almost.
Sayang, nag-rush in pa talaga ako. Mananalo naman tayo kaya okay lang. Last skill ng first
Friendly
round.
hunter killer
Panalo.
drone deployed.
with enemy.
Nice view. Next na SR ang ating gagamitin ay ang Locus. Okay, tara.
UAV online.
Okay.
Grenade out.
Ayan, chill lang. Pick mark.
Down.
Aray ko. Tao sa likod.
I got shot. Get down, sniper. We've taken the lead. Target down.
Sayang.
Changing mag.
Ayun.
Tango down.
Ang ating
Killer drone deployed.
hunter killer natin tayo guys. Watch out tayo sa mga
Enemy down.
nauunod. Napaka nauunod.
We've taken the lead. Enemy down. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Reloading. Tango down.
Guys, lag. Wala.
We've taken the lead.
Lag pa yun guys.
Target down. Chopper on standby. Enemy
guys! Panalo tayo. Okay guys. Ako po ang MVP ngayon. Good game. Okay guys, that is the end of our video. Pa-like and subscribe naman po at pa-support rin po. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.